Hello everyone, I'd like you to open the PowerPoint practice presentation. This is 7 slides and this one's all talking about background. So in the previous lesson we did go into design, and the particular slide was the ion, and then if you click more options you can hover over certain ones and you can choose different design backgrounds. And for example, if you were to select one, headlines, it does it to all of the slides. If you click a different one, this one's crop, it does it to all the slides. So what I'd like to do is show you how you can pick a particular design that only affects the one particular slide at a time and not the whole presentation. So for this one, go back to more options and choose the office theme. The office theme is plain, there is no background. Make sure you have the active slide, slide 1. Go into the more options, and then when you select a slide that you'd like for your very first slide, right click instead and choose apply to selected slide, so it only is affected on the first slide. Click slide 2, go back to more options, and again right click and choose apply to selected slide. So in turn you could have a different theme background for every single slide. So you get the idea. Now we're going to try something different. Choose slide 3, and this time, still in design, come over to format background, and under the fill option select solid fill and go ahead and select a color of your choice. And you get a solid color background instead of a theme. Go to slide 4, and now we'll try gradient fill. And for this particular one you have these what's called gradient stops, and if you select, kind of looks like a paper clip, if you select one you can change the color of it. You can select and move and change the color of the paper clips, any color you'd like, and you can even get rid of the clips or add more. And as you move them, you either get less of one color or more of another, whatever you're comfortable with. This is called linear direction, so you could actually choose radial, which is more like a circle, or rectangular, or I like this one, the path one, so whatever you enjoy or you like. The next one, we'll go to slide 5. In slide 5, we'll try picture or texture, and then we'll go into texture, and there's different choices that you can select from texture. A lot of it's like either weaves or wood or paneling. I'm going to go with the water droplets. Then we'll move on to slide 6. We're going to choose pattern fill, and the default colors are blue and white, and you could choose any design you would like. And then you can even change the, I'm going to go with pink, so more colors, pink and blue. And if you want to change the design, you can. And then we'll go to slide 7. So we've tried the solid, the gradient, the texture, the pattern. I'm going to go back to picture or texture fill and go online. And I'm going to type in a park, so I'll have someone walking in the park. And I'll choose any background. Here we go, and insert. So we have someone walking in the park. And then if you notice, the background of the picture is gray, and I want to take that away. I also want to do it to the red carpet on slide 4. So select the picture, and then up in the picture tools format, click format, choose color, and there's a feature called set transparent color. Select that. It changes the mouse to a marker, and just click in the background and it takes it away. So it's a little bit clearer. Do the same thing for slide 4. Select the picture, choose picture tools format, color, drop down, select transparent color, and then click in the background. And again, you can move it if you'd like. So I just wanted to share a couple of new features that's not covered in the textbook, which is pretty interesting. So you can have different designed backgrounds for every single slide. So if we were to do a slideshow, you'll have different backgrounds for every slide. A little more time consuming, but in the end it's very nice to, for appealing to the eye. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.